Mangyans are primarily subsistence farmers, growing crops like upland rice, sweet potato, cassava, taro, corn, beans, bananas, and yarns. They mainly use Sweden agriculture, locally known as kangen. This method clears small plots, using the ash to enrich soil, then allows long fallow periods for recovery. Their Swidens are highly diversified and carefully managed. Fires are controlled to avoid spreading and forest buffers remain intact to preserve water, soil, fertility, and biodiversity. Mangyan communities respect sacred forest zones. They avoid clearing old-growth forest and areas near rivers, believing in the spiritual importance of these lands. Mangyan Mountains planting involves deep integration of traditional ecological knowledge, cultural values, and sustainable techniques. Mangyans typically use handmade tools, like bolos digging sticks, wooden plows. They rely on natural fertilizers, like compost and ash, and avoid using commercial pesticides or synthetic fertilizers, making much of their farming organic and sustainable.
See you next time.